Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where I want to show you how to buy Polkadot. This we will do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now, and it also has the lowest trading fees. You pay only 0.1% trading fees. And if you use the link in the video description, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% trading fees, which is really low. Then you deposit some money here, type in the amount you want to invest in Polkadot, and you see how much you will get, and then you can only click buy dot, and that's it. And how you do that step by step I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description, then you will come to the right registration page where you start. Type in your email address, choose a password. Your 20% trading fee discount will automatically be activated, and then you only click create account. After you will get an activation code which you will use in the next step, and your account is activated. After you log in and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go here in the menu and then you click on identification. The identification is only needed if you want to deposit fiat money, for example euro, British pound or Australian dollar. If you want to deposit Bitcoin to buy Polkadot, you don't need to do that. But I think many people will do that. So here you just go to the identity verification and click here on verify. Then a pop-up will show up where you will get a step-by-step guide where you just type in some information, upload your ID, and that's it. Also, you have to do the address verification. There you also click here on verify, do it, and after you can start deposit some money. Herefore, you just click here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Then you choose the right options, so the currency you want to transfer, also the payment method, for example bank transfer or credit card, and after you can type in the amount you want to transfer, for example 500 euros. You also see that my limit here is 200,000 euros, which is pretty high, and then you click continue. After you will get the bank details for the bank transfer, so just copy and paste it into your bank account and make the transfer, and after 1 or 2 business days the money will arrive. After you can go to buy crypto and click here on cash balance. Here you see the amount that is available in your Binance account. For example, I have 500 euros available, and after you just select the coin you want to invest in. So in our case it is Polkadot, therefore you just search for DOT and choose it. Now you see the Polkadot chart in US dollar and type here the amount you want to invest in. For example, I will choose 500 euros. Then you see how much Polkadot you will get, and the only thing you need to do now is click here on buy dot. That's it. I hope you liked the video. If you want to save 20% on trading fees, just use the link in the video description for the registration, and have a nice day. Bye.